So Instagram is introducing an OnlyFans type of subscriptions. In a blog post, the company wrote, US Instagram users will soon be able to subscribe to a small number of creators and influencers to access exclusive content and features. The company says it will launch a test subscription today, with more creators being added in the coming weeks. Fans will pay a monthly fee to access subscribers-only content from creators they follow, like exclusive lives and stories. Even stories will be monetized. Interesting. Subscribers will also get a purple badge by their username that signals their status to the creator. Price tiers will range from 99 cents to $9.99 to $100 a month, and creators can select the price point of their subscriptions. Company head of products Ashley Yoki told TechCrunch that Instagram will not take a cut of creator subscription revenue. Interesting, really? Oh, okay, until at least 2023. 10 creators are part of the early test, including basketball player Sedana Prince. Oh, who that is? I have no idea who that is. Olympian Jordan Charles and astrologer Alyssa Kelly. So here you go. If you're a creator, another way for you to monetize your content. They're rolling this out now to a small number of creators, and new creators being added weekly. Hopefully they can roll this out to everyone, every single creators out there. So what do you guys think? Personally, I think anything this platform can do to encourage and reward creators is welcome, although they did not specify what kind of content will be allowed on the platform for subscription. This is going to be a wait and see, because, you know, we have OnlyFans. If you have this OnlyFans type of payment here on the platform, is that going to be a limit or a restriction of the type of content you can produce? We'll have to wait and see, guys. Anyway, thank you again for watching. I will see you in the next one. Later.